Hello, welcome to Nuer-Language School. Our topic today is about present continuous tense or present progressive. Rajan bana latin wala kimen bana ngej keriye tungut kawawa detail good ke present continuous. Ariete tu ka ntama kawa kanyam. Keriye to Shagdian Karodian can read Janangwasame. Take a subject, commercial M, K is, K R, plus verb plus ing. Kan konon yam ka present continuous tense. Gorjano jinderi channel deri je support deri subscribe ko mitem shibrech. Deri shamala shibekaji. Bana ngij bana je talk ban right commercial affirmative. Key positive sentence rietin kontin cha dor cha jagak career to career to go to there and there or the ngika you don't share good along. I will make sure with the zoom. Okay, career to shall affirmative on creating kontin jojeno cha dor cha jagak de kono jogwasame. Take a subject kire ka tuk dwarka ka tuk English de kono no subject tuk de ka Thok Nath. Okay, ngur kon dong de kono ngach tuk de chal subject name a verb chal riet ke de kon chal riet verb plus ing titin chal ka riet no creating kontilat ke ing tin. Okay, tin mat ke ing de kon lar non titi chal ke verb plus ing. Menyam I gwadum lunungu lunnehan raji kehan di lare I ehan I raja kejan she raja kejan it raja kejan. So namende kono chole jan gwasamen. Take something that I would like you to learn. E mean nyal. Okay, no dol. Raja ka dol. Okay, it talk about male. E dol ka Thok Nath. She raja ka nyal. Nyal. It raja ka mishrach mukwai ka jade kon larno jen. But all of them they are using gen. Okay, show paruit bana example ke shana ga bana ko je ka jen listen me pingwa samani verbs should ke am should ke is shall ke verb to be. This verb to be read to ke am is ke are. Let get back here ka subject him kan kon ngai gwa sama te kon gumi chala we lur no kon you lur ni jin they gwa lur ni ken. Okay, remember that. Am lur ni a is lur ni a are ba lur ni a one. Okay, chala ke verb to be bana right ka do read kamanan bana ga kwiden gwad me a verb plus ing written mat ke ing form. Shet ke working lur ni lede eating misa studying ngisha. Okay, it can call a continuous tense ke continuous verb. Working ladder, eating misa studying ngisha. Okay, chana ko ban gwasame ka jan listen pai konen example gwasame shirt maniam I am reading a book. I am reading a book. And kwena ka book. And kwena ka book. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. And kwena ka book. Wasame we have read plus ing form, which is continuous verb kwena. Okay, kwena like an continuous tense on. I am reading a book and kwena ka book. She is cooking food. She is cooking food. Cooking wadame continuous. She is cooking food. Jen tada kakwen. jen tada ka kwan cooking tada. Okay, tada continuous in a minute. Tada cooking tada. She's cooking food. Jen tada ka kwan. Jen tada ka kwan. She's cooking food. They are playing football. They are playing football. Ken ngarken ke kure shokni. Ken ngarken ke kure shokni. Playing wasama verb plus ing formed, which is ngar. Okay, the control ngar. Ken ngarken. Okay, ngarken, like you can put it like up to here. Ngarken playing. Ken ngarken ke kure shokni. They are playing football. They are playing football. Ken ngarken ke kure shokni. We are waiting for the bus. We are waiting for the bus. Kon liv ni bus. Kon liv ni bus or kon liv ni turbil. Kon liv ni bus or kon liv ni turbil. Waiting. Verb plus ing. Kon liv ni, this one. Liv ni bus. Kon liv ni bus. We are waiting for the bus. Kon liv ni bus. He is talking on the phone. Jen rach ke telephone. Talking. Verb plus ing form. Is talking on the bus. Jen rach ke telephone. Jen rach ke telephone. He is talking on the phone. Jen rach ke telephone. Another thing that we can learn, mishal ke negative sentences. Rieten gagdor. Riete gagdor. Miterian ma gagdor. Chit ke subject plus am plus is plus not plus ing form. Alana not plus verb ing. Kan shal ke negative sentences. Ki rieten gagdor. Bana shedin ban je gwasame te kon ke shirt. Shedaban je gwasame menyam I am not sleeping. I am not sleeping. And shan touch. And shan touch. You can see it here. And shan touch. I am not sleeping. Okay. And shan touch. She is not working today. Jen she let and wale. Jen shalet and wale. She is not working today. Jen shalet and wale. She is not working today. Jen shalet and wale. They are not fighting. They are not fighting. Ken chicken yen. Ken chicken yen. They are not fighting. Ken chicken yen. We are not listening. Kon chineling. Kon chineling. He is not coming. Jen shabiben. Jen shabiben. Okay, I will repeat it again. I am not sleeping and shan touch. She is not working today. Jen shaledan wale. They are not fighting. Ken chicken yen. We are not listening. Kon chineling is not coming. Jen shabiben. Okay, Jen shabiben. Manda dien question tieshni should ke am is our subject plus verb ing. When you want to ask question ke gwada dana gurjan or de ti dire teach. Okay. To kon example la shirt men banje kenyam. Am I speaking clearly? Am I speaking clearly? Kan racha kapes? Kan racha kapes? Ki an racha a George? Am I speaking clearly? Kan racha a George? Okay, a George. Is she studying now? Kajan ngisha jantama. Is she studying now? Kajan ngisha antama. Are they watching TV? Kakan gwechke TV. Kakan gwechke TV. Are they watching TV? Are you listening to me? Kajan ling rider. Are you listening to me? Kajan ling rider. Is she working today? Kajan lada and wale. Kajan lad and wale. I will repeat it again. Am I speaking clearly? Ka an racha a George. Is she studying now? Kajan ngija and tama. Are they watching TV? Kaken gweke TV. Are you listening to me? Kajin lingarwaida. Is she working today? Kajan lada and wale. Listener Radian, our next lesson is short answered. Lojni tichek check. Lojni tichek check. Yes, I am. No, I am not. Yes, I am mean a hen. Yes, I am a hen. No, I am not a she hen. A she hen. Yes, she is a agent. No, here we can put no, she isn't. A she agent. No, she isn't. A she agent. Yes, they are a can. No, they aren't. A shaken. A shaken. I will repeat it again. Yes, I am. No, I am not. A hen. A shaken. Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Agent. A shaken. Yes, they are. No, they aren't. A can. A shaken. Okay, you keep on repeating and practice. When to use present continuous, murai ketama kangoda wekawa kana network deje last latine bana jaja gwasame. Use it for the last less inena action happening now. The lalet kamurai chantama temporal situation kamite kamuto kabato kapet current trend or change kamutuok and tama kabaroda ger ke mangai ketama shat gwasama. We have example here. I am learning English and ngecha katok English and ngecha katok English. I'm learning English and ngecha katok English. She is staying with her sister. She is staying with her sister. Jen shianga kel kananyuman. Jen shianga kel kananyuman. Price are increasing. Price are increasing. Pekoka rebenerode. Pekoka rebenerode. Price are increasing. One last topic here. Common words like rieten lanada roika kenishang shetke now and tema. At the moment kejan guaseme. Today and wale. Currently mapai tuoke. Right now and tema. Common term words ke written content malayos ke na kit la malala skelet. Now lurni and tema. At the moment lurni kejan guaseme. Today and wale. Currently mapai tuoke. Right now and tema. Okay, example. They are working now. They are working now. We can say can, let, can, and tema. Okay, can, let, can, and tema. You can use that. Let, can, and tema simply. Can, let, can, and tema, or let, can, and tema. You can take in of this. They are working now. Can, let, can, and tema. Let, can, and tema. Okay. One is spelling rule for ing, and this is very important. Okay, the spelling rule for ing guardano de guardor de concholo no guar en de gor riet agua ko tit right kon quidient ne ke riet guardan de guaria de mo gua goria de rande chade latin. Right con ke qui ing form ke written conte la widian la yamo ye ka ing shet kam to work ba cholidi working ta ing gwasmteten na me format working work enyam rienejen mitel michala wide. After that micham ka ing bro de ger ba cholidi working and me let ba cholidi led. Okay, coach ngode continuous working continuous chale led lo jalet make making de control let led run, running, ngoche, wure, lie, lying, catch, catchage. Okay, actually lying. Some common mistakes written content la ngwane year ki written content yar karwach titana la yalara no I am work now no hen latin tama na me she correct jen she anena cha cross I am work now hen latin tama na me she talk correct genen I am working now and latin tama I am working now and latin tama she is eat food jen akwan miss na madio je she correct ba she is eating food jen misa kakwan jala correct ko gwa same jen gwa dana de listen dan there pektin men yam mi jiram jidit kanwa language school gore jen o jen bi channel bi support bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi jetwan. If you are new to Nuer-Language School, please make sure you support the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new topic, you can be notified. Do not forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Bia te kamal bana nyoje kalisandodien. Bye bye.